In today's video, we will make ChatGPT write a to-do list app in under 2 minutes where we can write, save and strike off tasks. The code will be written in HTML, CSS and JavaScript where none of the coding will be done by us. Everything will be written by ChatGPT itself. So let's start. First we tell ChatGPT to code a to-do list website and on hitting enter, it will start the coding. It's important to code the HTML, CSS and JavaScript files separately for simplicity. It will first write HTML code, then CSS code for styling the website and JavaScript for the website to work. Once done, copy the HTML code and paste in index.html file. Copy the CSS code and paste in style.css and JavaScript in script.js. Don't forget to save the file. Go in the browser and refresh the page and our to-do list website is ready in no time with task complete and delete buttons. This whole website has been coded by ChatGPT itself and we had to do minimal work. In this website you can make your grocery lists or note your pending work. As and when the task gets completed, you can strike off the task or delete the task. The source code of the website is given in the description and you can download and modify it through ChatGPT for added functionality. Subscribe for more videos and comment down the topics you want next videos on.